Just sit comfortably, close your eyes, and just feel the vibrations of the Shankh. Now make your sankalpa, follow my instructions. I am chanting mantra Om, creating protective energy field around me that keeps me protected against all external negative influences, antibodies, and viruses. Now take your attention just below the spinal cord near the cervix. Visualize a four-petal lotus. See the color red coming up. And take a deep breath and chant Om loudly so that I can hear it. Wonderful, Vida. Take your awareness to the spinal cord bottom, called the coccyx bone, the last bone of the spinal cord. Visualize a six-petal lotus, orange color. Again, take a deep breath in and chant Om. Now bring your awareness behind your navel, 10-petal lotus, yellow color. Take a deep breath in and chant Om. Now take your attention behind the heart center, 12-petal lotus, visualize color green coming up, and take a deep breath in and chant mantra Om. Now take your awareness behind the throat center, behind the throat pit. This is very important for you. So you visualize that your Vishuddhi chakra is becoming strong. Tell yourself that with strong Vishuddhi chakra, my ability to communicate will be very powerful. Visualize a 16-petal lotus. Visualize color blue coming up. And then take a deep breath in and chant Om. Very good. Now take your awareness behind your eyebrow center. Tell yourself that you are energizing your Ajna chakra and it develops your intuitive powers very strongly. Visualize a two-petal lotus, color indigo. Take a deep breath in and chant Om. Wonderful. Now visualize at the top of the center of your head, visualize a 1,000-petal lotus, white in color, and then take a deep breath in and chant Om nicely. Super. Now chant the Shanti mantras. Om Sahana Bhavatu completely.
Om Sahanau Bhunatu Sah Viryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavaditamastu Ma Vidvishavahai. Om Shanti
Om
Shanti
Shanti
Shanti.
Shanti Shanti Hari Om. Now repeat after me for Gayatri Mantra. I am chanting Gayatri Mantra. Repeat loudly so that I can hear it better.
Okay, sir. I am
I am
chanting
chanting Gayatri Mantra
Gayatri Mantra
for
for
wisdom,
wisdom,
higher intelligence,
higher
take your time,
intelligence.
don't worry. Correct. Higher intelligence, intuitive knowledge. Just relax and do it better. Don't get tense. Relax. Only you and I are there.
Intuitive,
Higher intelligence, knowledge,
intuitive knowledge.
knowledge. Correct. That's enough. Okay. Now chant Gayatri Mantra
Om Bhur
3
Bhuvas.
times.
Sir? Om
3
Bhur.
times.
Yes, sir. Om Bhur Bhuvasvaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Diyo Yo Na Prachodayat. Om Bhur Bhuvasvaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Diyo Yo Na Prachodayat. Om Bhur Bhuvasvaha तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्.
3 more times.
ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्. ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्. ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्.
3 more times.
ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्. ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्. ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्.
2 more times.
ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्. ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्.
Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Chant.
ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः.
Excellent. Now you will do 11 times every day, okay?
Yes, sir.
I I didn't want to tell you 11 times right in the beginning. I wanted to build it up slowly, slowly, slowly. So ultimately, you did 11 times wonderfully. So when you're doing it yourself, when you keep this chanting, it will automatically overcome the blockages and you will start finding that you're becoming smoother and smoother, fluent and fluent.
Okay.
So whatever is stopping in between will all start disappearing when you start chanting regularly. Okay.
So this.
Now today what I'm going to do for you, you're saying something better.
Yes, sir. Actually, this Shanti mantra or this mantra, am I supposed to chant it for 11 times, like daily, before
No,
the
no, 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 no. The
exercises, or is
Shanti
it?
mantra which we did, and then I'll tell you. When we start Om seven times,
Okay.
then Shanti mantra only once.
Okay.
Sahana Bhavatu only once.
Okay.
Gayatri mantra 11 times.
Okay.
And the last Shanti mantra only once.
Okay. So is it like
Okay.
before the exercise, or is it after I do
No.
the?
See, when you start your exercises, you will always start by chanting Om 7 times. Then you will chant Sahana Bhavatu. Then you will make your sankalpa for chanting Gayatri mantra. That I am doing it for wisdom, higher awareness, and intuitive knowledge. And then chant 11 times. Then you will start practicing your asanas.
Okay.
And when you conclude, before you get up, 3 times Om and the concluding Shanti mantra, Asatoma Sat Brahmaya.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, that's only once. Okay, so start with Om, end with Om, and then Shanti. Pardon? What did you say?
Is pranayama included? Pranayam.
You just what I'm doing is I'm recording the whole session.
Okay.
I will upload the record on a YouTube and I will give it to you. You can actually play it and practice along with it. So it's as though I'm instructing you every day till next week.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Understood. So just follow the audio, completely follow the video. So I will upload it today itself in my YouTube channel. So you don't even have to download it. You just have the link. You can access it every
What's the name
time
of the
and
channel?
practice.
Then is there
I'll
any?
give it to you. I'll send it to you by WhatsApp.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, sir.
I'll send everything by WhatsApp. Okay. Now what I'm going to do for you today, and which you will practice for the next 7 days, is to start loosening up all the joints in the body.
Okay.
When the joints in the body are flexible and they are not contracted, then the energy flow in the body becomes much better. When they become much better, the body becomes more flexible. A greater flexibility in the body helps you to do better asanas as we go along. So we'll start increasing the complexity step by step.
Okay.
So today you will sit with your legs straight and adjust the camera so that I can see your legs. Correct. Okay. And yeah. Now, your hands are in the same position as I am keeping, just behind you.
Okay.
So this is what is the starting position. Can you turn around facing it and I can see your face also? Right now, I can only see
Okay,
the
sir. Just a second.
thighs and the legs. I can't see your face.
1 minute, sir.
Yeah.
1 minute.
Yeah. Yeah, sure.
According to me, this should be fine.
Yeah.
This is okay now?
Perfect.
Thank you.
Yeah. So now I cannot see the feet. Just move a little bit. That's all. Yeah. Correct. Now I can't see the face.
Okay, just a second, sir. I'll adjust in such a way that you can see. Yeah. Is it okay now, sir?
Correct. Exactly. Yeah. See, the reason is I don't want the face to tense when you're doing it. That's why I want to see the face. Okay. Now you'll be sitting in this position, spine will be erect.
Yeah.
The first position is to work on the joints of the toes.
Okay.
So you will first take a deep breath in, and then while breathing out, you will bend the toes forward, nicely contracting those muscles. So when you bend it forward, you should feel the contraction here. When the toes are bending, no, there you should feel the contraction. And then when you're taking it back, you will allow the toes to spread out and take it behind you.
Okay.
I mean, towards you, sorry. The toes towards you. Okay? So forward when you're breathing out, when you're breathing in, you will take them inside. So get ready, start. Take a deep breath in, breathing out, tense the toes forward, tense the toes forward, forward. Breathing out, tense it forward. No, listen. You should not move the leg forward. The leg is like this only. Only the toes will move. Keep the feet straight, standing erect. See my feet. In that position, only bend the toes. Only bend the toes. Yes. Now breathing in, bring them back towards you, towards the body. Bring the toes towards the body. Yes. Hold your breath. Breathing out, bend it forward. Feel the nice contraction at the turning of the toes. Hold your breath. Breathing in, turn them towards you, towards your body. Once again, hold your breath. Breathing out, move them forward. Feel the contraction. Breathing in, come back, allow it to come towards you, towards the body. Hold your breath. Breathing out, bend the toes forward. Hold your breath. Breathing in, turn the toes towards your body. And now relax. When you are doing it yourself, do it 10 times.
Okay.
Okay. Now, second one is moving the feet forward now. So while breathing out, you will allow both the feet to stretch nicely. You will feel the stretch coming here at the tip of the ankle here. Okay. So feel the nice stretch of the feet there. Feel how nicely they are stretching, and then bring them back and see how they are contracting. Okay. So we'll do 10 times. Start. Take a deep breath in. Breathing out, stretch the feet forward. Hold your breath. Breathing in, take the feet towards your body. Feel the contraction. 1, 2. Remember to breathe out when you're taking it forward and hold. 2. Remember to breathe in when you're taking it in towards you. Hold. 3. 3 forward. Yeah. 3 towards you. 4 forward. Hold. 4 towards you. 5. 5. 6. 6. 7. 7. 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, and 10. And release. Take some rest. Now I'll first show you, then you can do it. You'll keep the legs a little closer. And then what you will do is you will have to rotate the ankle. So you will stretch it forward, take it towards your right side, take it towards your body, and then take it to the left side, take it forward. Okay? Now, you will breathe out while taking it forward. Breathe in while taking it to the right side until it comes up to the center. Start breathing out when you're taking it forward. Okay? Start. Breathing out, stretch it forward. Breathing in, turn to the right side, continue to breathe in. Now breathe out and take it down and then stretch it forward. Continue breathing in, take it towards the body in a rotation. Breathing out, take it down and then forward. Breathing in, take it from the right side in a circular movement. Then breathing out, take it down and forward. 3, 4, 5, 6. Relax. Now we'll do anti-clockwise, so in the opposite direction. So you will first stretch it forward, take it to the left side and take it down, okay? Now remember, when you're taking it this side, you'll breathe in, and when you're taking it down, breathe out. All right? Start. Breathing out, take it forward. Breathing in from the left side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Now, keep some distance between the two legs, and then you will make opposite movements. That is, you will bring both the legs together like this, and then they will move forward. They will go in the opposite direction and come together again. Yes, yeah. 1, breathing same normal. 2, breathing in when you're taking it towards you. Breathing out when you're taking it away from you. 3, 4, 5. Now the opposite direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Now we'll work on the knees. So you will keep the hand just, then take the legs a little up. Then breathing in, bring the legs closer to you. Breathing in, bring the legs closer to you. Breathing out, stretch it forward, going close to the ground but not touching the ground. Again, breathing in, come closer to the chest. 1, 1. Breathing out, hold. 2, hold your breath. 2, 'Hold your breath. 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, and 5. And then release. Now do it on the other side.
Sir, we also do this also. Taking the leg back and then keeping it front again.
No. Not for this. That is only when you do this.
Okay, okay.
At that time, you stretch it and then do it back. Here, you have not folded the leg, so no need to fold it behind.
Okay.
Just give me a minute, huh?
Yes, sir. Sure.
किसको देना है?
कौन से सर आपसे कलेक्ट करेंगे?
अच्छा, ओके. हाँ. Yeah. So when we are not folding the leg, then that outside folding is not required. Okay.
Okay.
Now the other left leg.
Sir, just a second, sir. I will be back. Just a second, sir.
Yeah.
Sir,
Yeah. Start. Left leg. Breathing in, 1, 1, 2. Remember to breathe in when you're taking it back and then breathe out when you're taking it forward. 2, 3, 3, 4, 'What happened?
sir, actually my grandmother came. So she wanted to ask me something. Actually, I wanted to convey her something.
Okay. Yeah. Now you will do the knee rotation. So fold the right leg, Your left hand will catch the feet, and then you will do it clockwise. One, clockwise. Breathing in when you're bringing it up, breathing out when you're taking it down. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now opposite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now stretch it straight and then fold it from outside and then stretch it back and then repeat on the other side. Let me watch you do it. Start. 1, clockwise. 2, very good. 3, lovely. 4, 5, opposite direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now relax. Yeah, correct. And now you'll do this motion. Stretch forward and then breathing in, come back. Breathing out, go forward. Breathing in, come back. Breathing out, go forward. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Now half butterfly. So you fold the right leg. And breathing in, you'll bring the knees closer to your chest. Hold your breath. Breathing out, you will take it forward. You can even catch like this and bring it back, or you can catch with both the hands. Whichever you are feeling more comfortable, you can do it. Breathing in, bring it up. Breathing out, take it down. 1, second round. 2, let it touch the ground if it can. 2, 3, if it doesn't touch now, it's okay. My flexibility will increase on its own. Don't worry. 3, take it down. 4, and then 5. Then stretch your leg, fold it from outside, then take it out. Then do it with the other leg now. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, slowly. 4, 5, 5. You see, whenever you're doing this for you to get the benefit, for example, you're doing like this, you must feel, for example, at the hip joint, you will feel the contraction. And then when the thighs are coming closer, you will feel the contraction here. So you must feel whatever is happening, how the ankle is helping the lifting up, what is happening to the ankle when you're pushing it down. So be aware as to what all happens in your body when you're doing each of these practices. Okay. Only then you will get the benefit. Now, so we finished working on your toes. We finished working on your ankle. We finished working on your knees. We finished working on your hip joint. Okay. Now we are coming to your wrist. So you'll keep your hands straight. Keep all the fingers joined together. Straight, joined together. Then breathing. No, not. This is a different one. Breathing in, you will spread all the hands out. Then breathing out, you will bring the thumb inside and then press nicely. Feel the pressure on the thumb. Breathing in, spread all the fingers out, thumbs pointing to each other. Relax the shoulder, relax the shoulder. Be relaxed completely. Make sure you don't tense anything. Once again, breathing out. Correct. Breathing in, spread out. Hold, breathing out. Push it in. Breathing out, spread out. Then breathing in, contract. Then relax. Release your hands and take some rest. Now, you'll keep both the hands straight. You'll take the thumb inside and rotate. And then you'll rotate clockwise. 1, 2. No. You watch my hand. I'll show you with one hand so that it is clear. Now, this top portion remains as it is. Okay. So let's say I'm keeping 2 coins here. Okay. Now, when I move, the coins must not fall. Got my point? So when you're doing it, you're doing like this. So this top portion should remain as it is. So how do you do it? You first bend the hand forward. So you can see this bending forward. And then take it up. Make sure that this top portion remains straight as it is. And turn it only in such a way that it will not bend. So if you want, do it with one hand first, so that you can take the other hand to support. And then do it in this hand. Come on. Yeah. It's still turning. It is still turning. Be conscious. The top portion should not change. If possible, you have a coin ready. Get. Yeah. Enough. Any one is enough. Any one is enough. Just keep it on top. Yeah. And now Support it with the other hand and rotate and see that it will not fall. Ah, see, now you're getting the hang of it. Very good. Lovely. 2, 3, super. 3, 4, 5. Now reverse. 1, 2, love. Pay attention, pay attention, pay attention. 1, opposite direction. Okay, 1, correct. 2, 3, lovely. 4, 5. Now put the coin on the other hand and do it. Yes. 1, 2, 3. Relax the face. Relax the face. 4. Be relaxed. Be relaxed. 5. There should be a smile on the face. That means relaxing. 1. Yeah. 2. Correct. 3. 4. And 5. Lovely. Now try and see if you can do with both the hands without keep coin on both the hands. No, without the coin, you try. Try without the coin because it's difficult to keep coins on both the hands, so somebody has to come and do it. Yeah. We pay attention to whether it is moving or not, and then do it. 1, 2, 3. Okay. What you do is keep coin on one hand. Keep coin on one hand, but do it with both the hands. After you keep the coin, now try and do it. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Release. Now we worked on the wrist. We have to work on the elbow. Okay, so that's another joint. So keep both the hands, palms facing the sky, straight here. Fingers together. Fingers together. Now breathing in, bring the hands and touch your shoulders. Hold your breath. Breathing out, take the hands forward, fingers pointing straight. Hold your breath. 2. Breathing in, hold. Breathing out, hold. 3. Breathing in, hold. Breathing out, hold. 4. Breathing in, hold. Breathing out, hold. 5. Breathing in, hold. Breathing out, hold. Release. Relax. So now we worked on the wrist, we worked on the fingers, we worked on the elbow joint. Now we are going to work on the shoulder joints. Okay? So you'll keep the fingers on top of the shoulder, spread out like this, and then breathing out, you will bring both the hands together, and breathing in, you will take it up like this. Breathing out, you will take it down. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now opposite. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now release and relax. So we worked on the shoulder joints. Okay. Now we'll also work on the elbow joints from the sideways. Okay. So stretch your hands straight like this at the shoulder. Now breathing in, bring the hands from the side. Hold your breath. Breathing out, spread it out. Breathing in, bring it back. Breathing out, take it to the side. Breathing in, bring it back. Breathing out, take it to the side. Breathing in, bring it back. Breathing out, take it to the side. Then release and relax. Take some rest. Let the elbows, shoulders all relax a little bit. Just keep breathing deep. Yeah. Now you'll keep your hands, right hand on top of the left. The first movement will be neck down and up. So this is for the neck rotation and the neck flexibility. So breathing out, very slowly drop your head down. Hold your breath. Breathing in, take the head up, eyes towards the ceiling. Hold your breath. 2, breathing out, head down, hold, breathing in, head up towards the ceiling. 2, hold your breath, come down. 3, 3, very good. Go up. 3, come down. 4, breathing out while coming down, breathing in while going up. 4, 4, 4, up. 5, go down. Last 5, go up. Now you'll do neck rotation the way we did last time. So you will first drop the head down, and then take it up from the right side and come down. So when you take the head down, when you take the head down, you will breathe out. Breathing in, you will take it up, and then breathing out, you will take it down. Okay? Correct. Start. So 1 minute. When I say start, then you start. Hands one on top of the other. Get ready. Take a deep breath in. Then breathing out, drop the head down. 1, then start. 2, very good. 3, excellent. 4, 5, Opposite. 1, 2, 3, 'Wait a minute. Wait a minute. You're not doing it right. 1 second. 1 second. You're getting, you see, it should go in one symmetrical motion. Okay, so I put the head down, and if I'm doing it opposite, what you are trying to do is, so this head should not move like that. So when you bend down, it should go in one cyclical rotation. So just do one round straight, one round clockwise, one round anti-clockwise. That's right. That's right. Yeah. Now relax. Now you'll do the pranayam, counting from one side for the same count on the other side, breathing in from one nostril, breathing out from the other, then breathing in from the other nostril, breathing out. So start from the left, breathe out to the right, start from the right. So for the same count, start till I say stop, continue. Release. Then just lie down on Shavasana to rest for some time. Hands by the side of the body, palms facing the sky, and just let your body relax completely in a total sense of relaxation. Let the face relax, let the head relax. Allow your shoulders to relax and sink into the ground. Let both the hands relax and sink into the ground. Let the back of the body relax and sink into the ground. Let the buttocks relax and sink into the ground. Let both the legs relax and sink into the ground. Feel the weight of the body is going up and you're sinking deeper and deeper into the ground with gravity. And every inch you are going deeper down, your body is relaxing more and more. A deep, pervading sense of relaxation all around you. Complete relaxation of the whole body. It feels heavenly to be relaxing in a deep state, allowing each and every part of the body to relax in a deep state. When you allow the body to relax, the brain waves start coming down from higher levels to the alpha levels, allowing you to concentrate at the higher conscious level. See a kind of energy percolating throughout the body, an energy that you can sense. A deep sense of relaxation pervades the whole body. Calmness, serenity. Gentle and deep state of relaxation. Gentle and deep state of relaxation. Complete and total relaxation. Now, very slowly become aware of your breath at the nostrils. Fold and stretch your hands. Fold your hand and stretch it back. Fold your leg and stretch it back. And then turn to one side. Gently, with the support of your hand, sit up. Now chant Om 3 times. I'm not able to hear. I couldn't hear you better.
Sir, my mic was maybe your earphone has a problem or something like that.
I can't hear anything of what you're saying.
Uh, Sir,
Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Yeah. Maybe, okay. Fair enough, it's okay. Just chant the Shanti mantras. We will conclude for today. Asatoma Sadgamaya. Just chant.
Asato ma sadghamaya tamaso ma jyotirtamaya mrityor ma amritam ghamaya Om Shanti Shanti
Shanti, Shanti.
Hari
Hari Om. Rub your hands nicely and then keep them on your eyes. Remove the glass. Excellent. So I'll send you the video beta and then practice every day.
Sir,
And when you come, then automatically we'll be able to take it to the next level. 1 second. 1 second. 1 second. 1 second. Now you speak.
sir, sir,
You are saying.
sir, sir, sir,
Yeah.
sir. Sir, is it audible, sir, now?
You're audible now. You're audible
Sir,
now.
okay. Sir, we can probably switch to Google Meet, sir. Because there we don't get such problems.
When you want to switch to what date?
No, sir. I'm telling if you have this problem, sir, then we can switch to Google Meet. There we don't get such problems.
Let me try. I mean, this is the first time I've had. I mean, through in the beginning, I didn't have a problem. No?
Okay.
Okay, because I'm comfortable with the Zoom for recording and all this. Okay, fine. Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Sir, I'll practice from
Ah.
today or tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Practice from tomorrow.
Okay, sir. Thanks a lot.
Practice from tomorrow. Yeah. Bye.